Hello dear students, welcome to Axiomaticos. This video is the part of the solution series for IIT JAM 2014. So we are here with this problem 12 of your paper. This problem is a linear algebra problem. So let us have a look. Let A is equal to, so we have a matrix A with real entries. So all the entries inside this matrix are real. If the sum and the product of eigenvalues of A are 10 and 30 respectively, then A square plus B square equals. So what you have to do, you have to find out A square plus B square, the value of A square plus B square, right? So see, you are given with a matrix. So if you know what is this matrix, this is a upper triangular matrix, okay? So if elements below the diagonal elements are 0, then we call that matrix as a upper triangular matrix. Now what is the important thing that we know about upper triangular matrix is that diagonal entries are its eigenvalues. Are you getting my point or not? So what I want to say right now, that for an upper triangular matrix, diagonal elements are its eigenvalues. All right. Now you have an upper triangular matrix and you know its diagonal entries. That means from this note what we can say, that A, B, 3 are eigenvalues. Okay, let me repeat myself whatever I have done. We have a matrix which is upper triangular, and we know that for an upper triangular matrix, diagonal elements are its eigenvalues. That means A, B, 3 will be the eigenvalue. Now what is given to you, that if the sum and the product of the eigenvalues are 10 and 30, that means A plus B plus 3 is equal to 10 and 3AB is equal to 30. So these are the two equations that is given to you, and what you have to do, you have to find out A square plus B square, right? So what I will do, I will just evaluate the value of B from your equation number 2. So what's the value of B from equation number 2? So the value of B will be just 30 over A. All right. Now you see, you got 30 over A, right? Now what you have A plus B is equal to 7. So I think there is another way of doing this. Without evaluating the value of B, we can solve. How? I will square both of these sides. A plus B is 7. So I will square both the side. What will happen? It's 49, right? So you will get A square plus B square plus 2AB is equal to 49. Now what is AB from your equation 2? AB is just 10. So you will get 49. So A square plus B square is equal to, A square plus B square will be equal to 20. So I think it will be 49 minus 20. So it should be 29. Are you getting my point? So initially I was thinking that we need the value of B in order to make this a quadratic equation and find A and B. But that will be a little bit long process. So that's why I chose to opt a different method than this. Okay. So from equation 1 we got A plus B is equal to 7. So we square them up and then we place the value of AB from equation 2. So this is how we can do this question, right? So what we have done so far, we have a matrix A, and I told you this matrix is the upper triangular matrix. Why this matrix is upper triangular? Because all the element below the diagonal element are 0. Now what do we know about upper triangular matrix? The important thing that we know about upper triangular matrix is, for an upper triangular matrix, diagonal elements are its eigenvalues. So these are the diagonal element A, B and 3. So these are the eigenvalues. Now it is given to you that sum and the product of eigenvalues are 10 and 30. So that means you are done. All right. So this is how we can solve. This is a question in just 1 minute. Okay, so you can solve this question in just 1 minute. I am taking time to explain you, but this question can be done in just 1 minute. Are you getting my point? So this is how we solve. So thank you.